Need to keep track of different time zones for work or family? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple clocks for different time zones in your Samsung phone. It's quick, easy, and super handy. Let's get started. First, press and hold down your home screen's empty place, then tap widgets from the below. Now scroll down a bit. After that, tap on clock. Again, scroll down. Here you'll find dual clock. Just tap on it and then tap on add. Here all set. From here you can change your zone. Like I want to change Chicago to New York. To do that, tap on Chicago. Now find New York from this map and then tap on New York. Next, tap on change and it's changed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you manage multiple time zones more easily, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips. See you in the next video.